Hi everybody, it's Miss Bridget with Ground Education. Hello to all of our Hudson heroes. Miss seeing you guys. I am here today via Screencast. Here's my little window. You're going to see my little window move all over the screen while I do this lesson. I'm going to present our very first virtual garden lesson to you. It's called Where Did That Banana Peel Go? Exploring Decomposition with Ground Education. If a tree falls down in the woods, does it stay there forever? Actually, nature has a plan for all living things that die. It's called decomposition. Eventually, nature will make sure all of the parts of this tree return to the soil for new plants to use. Move myself around again. Up in the corner. Okay, so would the same thing happen to a banana peel? Would its parts and nutrients return to the soil for new plants to use? And if so, how would that happen? I'm gonna get my banana out. I've eaten part of it. I'm gonna eat the rest during this lesson. But while I eat my banana, why don't you check out this video one of our interns made for us. We call it the peel reel.
We finished banana. What do you do with the peel? I'm guessing most do you just throw the banana away.
Oh, bananas!
Nature has its way of dealing with plant waste that doesn't involve garbage bins or trash bags. Next time you eat a banana, instead of throwing out the peel, try this activity. Oh, once you enjoy your banana, find a patch of natural ground. This may be dirt, sand, soil, or even grass. Next, sandwich your peel between the earth and a large rock or brick. Now wait. What do you think is going to happen? Be patient and ask yourself, or keep watching and see what could happen. When a plant breaks down, it is called decomposition. A rule of thumb for composting. Ground can be composted. Now, composting can be a challenge in cities, but we can all work on reusing materials and reducing our food waste.
Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching the peel reel with me. I hope you liked it. Isn't that a really cool video that they made for us? You got to see all kinds of things happening with that banana. Let's talk about it. What did you see in the video? How did that banana peel change? Was there something helping that banana peel change? Do you think the peel will last forever? I don't know. What do you guys think? I noticed that the peel was changing colors. I noticed some fun little creatures on it. I think one looked like a roly-poly. I might roll that back later. And my own thought is that the peel will not last forever, that it's going to transform into something else. Let's talk really quickly about nature's decomposers. And here goes Miss Bridget moving around the screen. Nature's decomposers. there are many organisms that work together to break down dying things, like bacteria, fungi, and I'm not talking about a fun guy, I'm talking about things like mushrooms right over here where my pointer is, worms, and I seem to recall some folks at Hudson that really, really like that worm bin, and roly-polies. Those are some of our organisms that are going to help our banana heal. Okay, big question for you. Can you identify the food in the before pile? Take a look at this pile over on the left. What do you see? I see, definitely see banana peels. I see eggshells. I see a whole big clump of grapes. What do you see? Maybe some watermelon rinds. And let me move myself over here. Take a look at the after. That looks like this pile broken down. And that looks like it's becoming soil that we could actually use to plant new plants. Fun fact, making a pile of food waste to decompose is called compost. Who remembers the compost bin? I do. I remember the compost bin at Hudson. In fact, when I go water, I spin it because we don't have our students there right now to spin it. But someday we'll be back and I'm going to let you all have extra spins. Remember that I said that. Let me move myself out of the way again. Together, decomposers make life on Earth possible. Decomposers turn our food waste and other dying plants into healthy new soil. Without healthy soil, new plants can't grow. Remember, that's one of the 3 things that we need to grow new plants. So all the food we eat comes from plants. Now it's your turn. Exciting. Move myself again. I have been eating my banana through this entire presentation. In fact, I've been eating bananas for every take I've done of this screencast. I won't tell you, but it's a lot of bananas. So, if you have a banana at home or go to the store and have the chance to get one, get a banana. Eat the banana, first step. And I want you to take the peel and put it on the ground. You don't need a garden. It can be any kind of dirt area. And put it under a rock, a brick, or something heavy. Then, using everything we've talked about today, I want you to think on it and make a prediction about what's going to happen to that banana peel. And then every day go and lift up your heavy thing and take a look at the peel. And then I want you to be a nature scientist and note or draw what is happening to the peel. Oh, quick note, make sure you ask a grown-up about the best place to put that peel. We don't want them to be surprised when they find a peel under their car tire. Make nature notes. Take a look at this. Writing notes or drawing a sketch helps scientists remember what they observe, or rather what they see. Use your paper to show how your peel changes over time. It's actually not just seeing. We use all of our senses when we do an experiment like this. You're going to use your sense of smell. Maybe you could hear bugs in it, sort of creepy crawlies. You're definitely going to use your sight. And more fun from ground education. You are a scientist. After you watch this screencast, which I'm so glad to see you again, we are going to be sending your teachers all kinds of really, really fun extra activities and things so you can learn more about decomposition. And we're going to do this with every single lesson. So here's just a little preview. We have the instructions on how to bury your own peel. We have more information on nature notes, which I just showed you. We have math minds. Don't throw your lunch waste in the trash just yet. We have some art activities with Draw a Banana, and we have an amazing story time. And quick note, before we leave today, I promised I would show you one of my pets. So I'm going to abracadabra my screencast. Let's see if this works. Abracadabra! This is my dog Mabel. You might have heard her bark while we were doing this screencast. I think she was pretty good and no one came by. This is one of my best friends and she helps me work on all of our ground education stuff from home. Next time I see you, I want to hear all about your pets. And I may also bring out one of the kittens that my cat just had. So, I'm going to sign off now. This is Miss Bridget with Ground Education at Hudson, reminding you to take care of yourselves, take care of each other and take care of your home. And I can't wait to see you again so we can all take care of the garden together. So bye from me and bye from Mabel.